In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split an invoice in Xero. If you're looking to handle partial payments or manage transactions more efficiently, this guide will be invaluable. Let's navigate through the process together step by step. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Xero account. Open your web browser and go to the Xero login page. Once you're there, simply click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and fill in those details, and once you've done that, click on the login button again. This will take you to your Xero dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in and on the dashboard, look for the option labelled Reconcile Items and click on it. This section will allow you to manage various transactions linked to your accounts. You'll want to select the payment transaction that you wish to split. Clicking on this transaction will bring up additional options for handling it. Next, you'll see an option labelled Find and Match. Click on it. This function is typically used to locate existing invoices or bills that match the transaction you're reviewing. Now, you should spot the Split option. Go ahead and click Split. This is where you'll break down the invoice amount into portions. Type in the amount you wish to split from the original transaction. It's crucial to ensure that the split amount is accurate, reflecting exactly how you want the payment distributed. Once you enter the amount, confirm your selection by clicking on Split again. A new transaction reflecting your split amount will now be created. At this point, you'll need to click on New Transaction. Here, you'll have all the options necessary to record how this split payment is categorized. Select Receive Money to indicate that a portion of the payment has been received. Don't forget to enter a description for this transaction to help you or others understand its purpose in the future. Finally, save your work by clicking the Save Transaction button. This records the split payment properly and keeps your records up to date. With the split transaction now saved, the last step is to click Reconcile. Reconciliation ensures everything is balanced and your accounts remain accurate. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to split an invoice in Xero, making the management of partial payments and detailed transactions much simpler. By following these steps, you're on your way to streamlined accounting with Xero. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process clear and easy to follow.